Here's an old Comfortmaker unit. We believe this to be new old stock.
From 1985?
Yep.
Yeah, I can't find the reversing valve.
Transformer.
It is a heat pump because it's shown frozen on street view, and if you look right here in the data sheet.
And then over here is an old Carrier PTAC. Well, the sleeve of one. I don't know if the actual unit is in there.
It hasn't been running, and it's 24 degrees, so I assume it's only used.
Let's see.
On weekdays. And we got a Carrier in the wall unit, or PTAC.
Just the sleeve. I don't know if the actual unit's still in there.
I see the coil right there, so it probably is.
The original unit had been replaced.
We gotta go back there.
Hey everybody, here we have a couple really old Fetters units. And a Daikin mini split, which is running in heat mode. Alright, we're going in for a closer look. Cool blades.
This is either a tag
So a tag, here it is. Logo. It's a Climatrol, however you want to pronounce it.
I've heard of that. Do you see tree?
Can you make out anything on the data sheet?
Ever so slightly.
Let's see. I'll go back and review it inside. Shaft is really rotten, probably the original motor. And here's another one. This is one of those smaller ones. Side discharge. It's like a window in it. I think the logo is straight down here. No. It's either, oh yeah, it's another Climatrol. These are actually made by Fetters, if I'm not mistaken, but they're branded under Climatrol. It has a piece of thermostat wire on it. There's a tag. It's actually visible. So you can actually read it. I'll have to go back and look at that. Base plates are ramping down.
It's either ramping down or shut off. Actually, it's ramping down because if it shut off, then it's cut off.
So I'll take some pictures and that'll be it. See you guys in the next one.